Today I want to demonstrate how to shut off your water heater in case your tank rusts out and you get a leak and you notice water around it. On most water heaters, if you're facing the front of it where the gas control is, there's a pipe that comes in on the right hand side and there's one that goes out on the left hand side. You can feel it and tell that the one on the left side is hotter and this one's cooler, but usually the one on the right hand side is the in, and it has a valve. Right here is the valve, and so if you spring a leak you want to just grab your valve and turn it to off, or a lot of times it's a twist valve. Turn it off and call up a plumber and get your water heater replaced. Thank you.